Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers. It's time for you to find out what our kits are all about. I have set a special day aside for you to just come and play with our kits. So we have so many kits in our catalog. You can find them all on our online store. So just browse through the online store and see which ones you like the best. There's card kits, there's card keeper kits, there's all kinds of things. Take a look at some of the samples that I've made here for some of the ones that I have available. I have so many different kits. There are so many different opportunities to make all these different cards. These are just a small fraction of what I have that I've put together for you to see some of the great things that we have in the line. Besides these cards, I also have lots of cards here. Take a look at this particular kit. This is a beautiful birthday kit, and you can see it makes 9 cards. And then look, it has all the pieces that you need to make the kit. It's got adhesive, it's got gems, it's got all the pieces cut out for you. It even has, let's say, this probably has stamps as well. But what a fun kit this is. Now look down here at this one. This is a really fun kit. It makes birthday cards with some pop-up pieces in the front. So much fun. And then here, look at this. This is a card keeper kit. This not only makes the cards that are beautiful, but it also features a box that you can store them in. You can pop the box open and keep track of your cards and keep track of what you have and what you need. And then look over here. Here's another one that I have. Just a beautiful collection. So these boxes are packed with other kits as well. Couldn't feature everything, but you can see them online. So make sure that you let me know that you want to come to my kits and cookies class. Now the way it works is that you're going to purchase one of these kits. You can decide ahead of time, or you can wait till you get here and pick the one that you want. You'll buy a kit, and if you bring a friend along, each of you will get to pick a second kit from my collection at half price. You can take that one home, or you can do it here, whatever you want. But this is the perfect opportunity to bring that friend that you'd like to spend some time with. A kit is a great way to introduce people to stamping, and also a great way just to get together, have some fellowship, have some fun, and make a few cards. And you can take the rest home with you if you like to. So anyway, let me know that you want to come to my cards and our kits and cookies. That's what we're calling this. So come to Kits and Cookies, and we're gonna have such a blast together making all kinds of great projects. I'll see you there.